is a proud moment of all of us. Today is the 52nd Statehood Day of the state of Manipur. Earlier we were kept in the Parsi state and the Indian territory, and in 1972 we have been given the statehood. But I am not fully satisfactory because of some element tried to divide the state through some provision. But anyway, we are enjoying now as a state. Just today I want to convey to all the citizens of Manipur, people of Manipur, and particularly to the security forces from the central forces. So what is happening today in Manipur is very unfortunate. And our primary duty being a security force is to prevent and to protect the life and the property of the people of the state, and to protect the state integrity as well as the national integrity. So all the security forces, it is my humble appeal to all of them to concentrate seriously on these particular issues, to prevent and protect the life of the innocent peoples, life of property of the innocent peoples, and to keep intact the nation territorial integrity and the state territorial integrity.